It is a halfway decent day today, so I'm gonna get some glass work done. I just finished up, let's see, what did I do this morning? Here, I cut out the wood, chiseled that out, and filled that with some fiber material so that when we drill the drain hole, it'll be solid fiber. We won't have any direct contact with water and that kind of thing with the wood inside. I ground up all my edges for glass so that I can lay some fiber up today. What I am waiting on here is to install these engine mounts. The owner has ordered up some steel plates to be made that we can throw in here, and I'm not quite sure what size they're going to be, that kind of thing, so I may or may not have to chip some of this wood away so that the plates will fit in there. But once I know and have done that, I can go ahead and bond these in. Depending on how long I have to wait, I'm gonna just go ahead and start glassing these other sections and finish those up. Typically I would go ahead and I would have all this bonded together and then glass it all in one shot, but for the sake of time, get things moving, why not glass these other pieces in ahead of time while I'm waiting. So that is kind of what I'm working on right now. Hoping to have this job done today. And if not, no big deal. I can come back in the morning. Looks like weather is going to hold up as far as that's concerned. So, yeah. That is pretty much what I got going on today. I will update this again in a few hours.